Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to alternate a raw color in Google Sheet. First of all, select a raw where you want to add color or separate alternate color. Then click on format option, scroll down to find out alternating color. Click here. Now you can see it's colorized. So you can also click multiple option from here as you wish. And if you want to add multiple color, if you want to custom style, then click plus icon, and from here you can change any color that you want to add, and that's it. You can colorize your Google Sheet following this method. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.